Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone you unfriended on Snapchat. So first thing what you have to do is just open the Snapchat application. You are going to look at the bottom, you are going to search for chat. Just tap on this chat icon and it's going to take you to the screen where all your friends are listed. So currently I don't have any friends here. So I'm just going to add friend just randomly and then I'm going to unfriend him. I'm going to tap and hold and just tap on this manage friendship and tap on this remove friend. Tap on this remove again. Okay, my friend is removed. What you want to do next, you are going to look at the top left corner where is your avatar. Tap on it and it's going to take you to the main screen. You are going to look for the settings button which is a gear here in the top right corner. Now scroll down until you find my data option. Tap on it. Well, it might take a while to load, but the first thing you want to do once you have deleted a friend, you have to scroll down and here where you see you have requested for the data the maximum number of times today. Here there will be a button called submit request which you can see. You have to tap on it. It's going to generate a link which will be sent to the email account that is linked with this Snapchat account. So once that's done, then you will receive a mail in your email account. You are gonna come back to these steps and you are gonna be sent another data load. Another data file will be sent here and you can tap on it. This will be a zip file and it's gonna ask you if you want to download. Tap on download. You are gonna see at the top right corner here the downloads. You are gonna click on the file and it's gonna take you straight forward to the files app. If you do have the files app on your iOS, maybe you have deleted it, but it usually come installed previously on your iPhone. You can just go to the app store and download it. You have to tap on this zip file and it's going to generate this folder on the left. Tap and hold on it and it's going to take you to this other page. Tap in the HTML folder again and you are going to look for a friend for the friends file. So here you have it. Tap on it. And there you go. You have all the list of your friends. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.